Hello, children. Good morning. I hope you're all doing safe, staying at home. This is a very wonderful time you have got. Please utilize this time productively. With today, children, we will be ending our teaching learning videos. But we have a bundle of activities lined up for you to keep you engaged and keep you connected to your books. It will surely help you to increase your creativity. So every Monday we will be posting worksheets for the entire week. I want you to complete these worksheets very neatly. Wherever you are, children, I want you to do these worksheets and file them. You can either write in a new notebook or you can download the worksheets which we are sending, or you can write them in white papers and file them. Whatever you're doing, remember to write the day and date in every sheet. I will be personally monitoring these worksheets which we are posting to you, and I will be checking each and every child's activity. Wherever you are, children, I want you to do these worksheets. Am I clear? So enjoy your holidays with these worksheets. Bye. Make a pen friend. Do you have a pen friend to whom you can write to? Ask your father or mother if they have friends in some other country. You can write about the situation here and ask them to write back to you. This will help you to understand the cultural differences, traditions and lifestyles of people of different countries. You can also write about our culture, traditions, festivals and how we bond with each other on different occasions. I'm sure it will be real fun. You can ask about their currency, their mode of shopping. Try to make at least 3 pen pals. Remember to share your experiences with me when you are back to school. Make your own journal. You can record your daily activities in a book. Imagine it's your friend. You can speak about your daily routine to the diary. You can make it as interesting as possible. Every day it should be completed before going to the bed. It will surely be your personal belonging. So make sure nobody gets to read it. You can make it interesting by adding pictures, dialogues, events, jokes, which will make it very lively. It can become your most cherished possession when you grow up. Try to continue it. It will really be a whole lot of fun. You need to experience. Don't worry about spellings and grammar, of course. Enjoy your making your journal. Handwriting. This is a never before and ever after opportunity for you. Every day take 15 minutes to write your handwriting sheets given to you. I want you to enjoy this work and do it in every single page. I should see the date and duration of the task. In every consecutive page, I should see only improvement in your handwriting. This is the best time we can focus on the betterment, dear children. Have patience and write neatly. Kindly do not expect your parents to be near you. Learn to be independent. Waiting to see splendid handwriting, dear children. Have fun. Story time. Stories are magical, children. You know, I was really fortunate enough to listen to 1,000 and more stories from my grandmother. She was a professional in that. This is what I guess has kindled the interest in me. Start reading the small stories which we are sending to you, children. You know what stories are? They are also like movies. You know what? You can imagine the characters and visualize the whole thing. It will really be fun. I also wish you take out all your storybooks which you have bought and complete reading them. When you come back to school, we will have a book exchange program. Have fun reading and you will never know. There can be a great writer or a director or a storyteller in you, waiting to see all the talent unfold, children. Tables. Tables are a compulsory task, children. Students of grade 2 and 3 should be perfect in tables till 9 and 12 respectively. Students of grade 4 to 5 should be perfect till tables of 15. Daily practice all the tables at least 3 times. I need to see the practice of the tables of every single day, students. Do continue to help your parents. Do not eat junk food. Please do not get too addicted to TV or phone. Go to the terrace and play with your siblings only in the evenings. Have fun doing all these tasks. Children, I'm very, very serious about these tasks. I want all of you to do these tasks and submit them on the reopening day, whenever it is going to be. And 5 marks for project will be allotted to all these activities. So be serious about these activities and enjoy as your skills are going to become much, much, much better. Have fun, be good, and come back as the most creative, wonderful children I ever know. Enjoy your holidays. I will keep in touch with you. Signing off for now, your Gayatri ma'am. Have fun.